So we are following this book. This is Human Resource Management by Ashwath Thapa. So HR department is composing different parts. So let's start with HRP, talent acquisition. This is the one part. Then we have HR shared services. So learning and development, compensation and benefits, and like IR. We are majorly discussing about the 5 major departments where the HR is working well. Then we have recruiters over here, selectors, sourcing and international job posting. While we are discussing about HRP, the main important agenda over here is we should have ample human resource with us. If you have 100 vacancies, 100 should be placed. If there are 80, then the 80 will be overloaded with the work, or your organization will not be able to achieve the goals which are already getting decided. जितके काम करणारे हात जास्त असतील तितकं ते पटकन अचीव होईल. Recruiters, then selectors, sourcing and international job postings. All these things are necessary for HRP. We need to have that much human resource balanced every time. काही लोक सोडून जातात, काही लोक परत येतात, काही लोक जास्तीचे होतात. All these are the challenges for HRP. So HR deals with that thing. What HR ensures? We have ample human resource with good talent which is required over there and fulfilling the organizational needs. Okay, that is the call for HRP. Now we'll deal with the HR shared services. This is a immersed discipline in HR. What it has? Personal policies, HRIS, and then manager administration and felicitation. You are preparing an Excel sheet of available employees, maintaining their attendance, maintaining their record, HRIS. Any information system which is maintaining all the data available of human resource is HRIS. And then we have manager administration and felicitation. In the last session we have discussed about the example, one employee is not going to his job. He is just reporting at the end of the day. So that role comes in here. Manager administration is needed. What was the reason, what is going on over there, and felicitation as well. You need to tackle it very well. Then we have performance management. Then we have employee engagement. What's happening over here? We are not getting a new person. We are training the existing human resource. So first and foremost, is he or she performing well? Should be analyzed properly. Task. What are the tasks? Create the Excel sheet, report it on time, get the printouts, submit it before 30 of any month. All these are the tasks available. But is he or she performing those tasks properly? Are the report are up to the mark or not? These are the performance management techniques. We need to have some levels over here. एवढं काम झालंच पाहिजे, right? Then we have employee engagement. If there is an event or any advanced project is there, so we need to ask each and every employee, are you interested to get the job? If someone who is there sitting in the classroom, I am asking for the poster presentation. Might be there are 3 or 4 students who I am well known with. I am just selecting them. Other will get a disappointment. Why? Because I didn't ask for the participation, are you interested or not, or took a quick quiz where you are really showing your skills that sir, I am capable of be presenting in this competition. So employee engagement comes in that part. You need to ask openly every possibility, opportunity, threats as well. All this should be discussed properly. Okay. So employee engagement. Then we have training and development. What does this mean? The employees need to learn new things. They need to get trained. New skills should be acquired, and then also we need to develop their existing skills. See, some of you may be good with the keyboard. You have 30 speeds with Marathi or English, or you got a MSCIT certificate. So, is MSCIT is enough for right now for you as a manager? No. We need to be very much good with the advanced Excel or better PowerPoint presentation, animations and all. So, we need to develop it once again. Okay, you know it, but we need to give extra sessions. So, that comes in this part of HRM. Here you are mainly focusing, especially marketing, especially in real estate. They have been taught about spoken English. They have been taught about how to smile. They have been taught about how to behave or appear. Right? You are, first of all, you will be acquainted with this, and then you will be getting mastered in this. And then we have talent development. Someone who is very good with the smiles, handshakes, a warm gesture, he will be definitely getting promoted earlier than you. Why? Because he has a basic potential to become a better marketer. So, talent development is also needed. See, all of you will be joining a same company. Okay, how many of you are there? 6, 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What do you think? Are 12 out of 12 will be getting promoted to the next position? No. Only 5 will be get promoted, and few of them will be transferred to next location, because actual vacancies for the higher levels are always less. 1, 2, 3, these are the main agendas for any organization to get you promoted. So, learning and development is the key, and then this will be like an admin who will be judging these things, and then compensation and benefits will be the final result. See, what we call it is here is like you are being promoted. So, first you had a 10 lakh package and had 20 subordinates. Now will be promoted. What will have? 15 lakh package, 50 subordinates. You will be clearly seeing that payment is not exponentially growing up, but the subordinates getting exponential. And to tackle 50 subordinates, you will be having better skills than others. That's why you are getting promoted. So, training, talent development, employee engagement, all these factors will be there as a marketing manager in your agenda every time. If you are not learning something, you definitely need to forget promotion next year. If you are not learning anything new, what I asked you, grab your books. Why? Because this is a theory paper, this has a marks, but more than that, you will be having a better chances to get promoted if you have a proper way of learning consistently, right? Then we need to move further. See, you got the example, and now we have here you have a better opportunity in the future. Why? Because you have learnt well, you have performed well, and the most important, you have been consistent. See, so this was about learning and development. Now let's discuss about the compensation benefits. Now we have payroll. Most of the HRs, especially the assistants or aspirants, will be joining on this agenda here on payroll. Compensation and benefits admin, compensation and benefits researcher. Why they have shown here researcher and admin? One will be continuously monitoring you as an admin, and the second one will be finding a talent within you. sometimes, as example, I will give you the example of Indian Idol. We know few people were there who have attempted at least 3 or 4 times prior to getting selected in the Indian Idol. What happened with them? That they are getting administered over here. But the researcher next time found something passionate about him. Admin always rejected him. Why? Because they are not performing well. Same thing happens with the Big Boss. You might find that Big Boss has a different personalities always. They are not getting a common factor, or not. They are not getting any relatives who were there in the last season. This season, his brother or sister is there. Never happens. They are always tackling with the different personalities, just to ensure that everyone is getting engaged. Okay. So admin and researcher, both these parameters are always being there in the compensation and benefits. Someone will be always there to look after all the employees available, how to pay them, how to give benefits to them. If someone is really good performing, so they will provide them a vehicle or the place to live, or giving them a proper TADA or laundry benefits or anything else which is saving the time of that employee, being more efficient in the work. Okay. And then we have industrial relations. This will be covering in the later on episodes, so later on sessions. So did you got the idea of HRM?